Ready to slay demons in a brutal medieval world. On GadInsider, we're breaking down when you can jump on this epic prequel on PS5, Xbox, and PC. Stick around, this is the Doom comeback you don't want to miss. GadInsider, your ultimate source for gaming, tech, and epic battles. Bethesda and ID Software's Doom: The Dark Ages is here, hitting PS5, Xbox Series X and S, PC, and Xbox Game Pass on day one. With a medieval twist, new weapons, and a heavier playstyle, it's already earning praise. Let's dive into the global launch time so you can start shredding demons ASAP. This prequel takes you to a gritty medieval world with new toys like a spiked flail and a shield that doubles as a weapon. IGN calls it immensely satisfying with a weighty style that's fresh for the series. But heads up, physical PS5 discs only have 85 MB, requiring a full download, and some fans are canceling pre-orders over it. On PC, watch out for known issues. ID Software says some need driver fixes, and Steam Deck isn't supported yet. Still, Steam users are getting free rewards to celebrate. From Xbox Game Pass to next-gen consoles, Doom: The Dark Ages is ready to dominate. Whether you're battling on a castle rampart or hunting for weapon skins, this is the Doom experience fans have been craving. Ready to dive in today. GadInsider fam, are you jumping into Doom: The Dark Ages today? What's got you hyped? The medieval vibe or those brutal weapons? Drop it in the comments. And if you're all about gaming news, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.